Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Bunny Brawler, but this time I'm going to draw a little bit different, just a little bit cuter. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's going to be a little bit different. It's a little bit cuter style. See if you guys like this, because I've already drawn one of the bunny costumes before, I think the male one, and it's actually very similar to this. So for this one, we're gonna start out with their eye, so it's gonna be really big. So we're gonna draw one curve. Okay, and then on the other side, it's gonna be kind of the same thing. So it's slanting upward slightly. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna draw in the eyeballs, so nice and big. Okay, and then I'm gonna shade it in. I'm gonna draw a circle there to save the highlight so that the eyes won't be too creepy. So I'm gonna draw a circle. I'm just gonna shade it in or shade around it. Okay, and then from here, let's move on to well, let's draw in her brow. So just kind of come up. Just gonna draw, make it a little bit thicker here. Okay, let's come down, and for her nose on the side here, just come down, make two little marks, and I'm just gonna close it off with a nice curve. And then for her mouth, we're just gonna come down, one curve, lower lip, and then once you have this line, we're just gonna connect to the corner of the mouth. Okay, and then for the upper lip, line again, and then we just kind of connect that to the corner as well. All right, so let's see, let's fill in the face. So we're gonna come out here to the corner of the eye. I'll draw two brackets, so like right here, just kind of come down, right around the mouth area right here. And then once you get to this point, we're gonna turn it inward, kind of flatten it out and just close it off for the chin. Okay, and then that's pretty much for face. Well, okay, let's draw in the whiskers. So just 1, 2, 3. This one's easy. All right, and then we got drawing the hoodie around it. So we're gonna draw the inside of the hoodie. So on this part here, we're just gonna slant up. Okay, so this part right here, just slant up. Then we're just gonna curve it, close it off. And then to finish up the hoodie on the inside, we're just gonna continue this line here, just kind of come down, and then we're just gonna go all the way down to the middle. Okay, and then if you draw, yeah, we can draw in the neck right now. So we're just drawing two lines like that for our neck. Okay, so let's finish out the whole bunny outfit here. So for the bunny, we're gonna come up. Just draw a line like that, and then we're gonna save a little bit of space for the ears, and we're gonna come down, so save a little bit of space. And then for this one's easy. We're just gonna give this line pretty much some thickness here, so we're just gonna close that off. Okay, and then for the ear, we're gonna come up, slant down. And then on this side here, come up a little bit, and then we're just gonna draw one line because his ear is folding over. And then once we have that, we'll just close it off. So that part's easy. Okay, and same thing on this side, slant out. And then same thing here, come up, and then we're gonna start here. Just one big line. And then again, we gotta connect that, just make it a little bit sharper on the end. Okay, and then for, she's got some hair right here, so we can draw in just like 3 clumps. So we can just draw a little line like that, 1, 2, and then 3. So just draw in 3 lines like that first. And then we're just gonna connect these, so we can connect the top, 2, and then this one, I'm gonna give it a little bit of curl. So for these lines here, you just have to erase them out. So that's probably the easiest way to draw them. Okay, and then on the bottom here, on the top here, curve and curve. And now for the top part, curve, curve. So 2 clumps. And then you're gonna have to erase those lines out as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the face, and let's move on to the body. So the body's a little bit different too. It's gonna be a little bit, I guess a little bit cuter. All right, so come down here, we're gonna draw the egg first. Let's draw a little oval, and then I'm gonna draw 2 lines for the decorations on the eggs. And then right here on this side, she's got some shotgun shells. So just come out and just draw a rectangle, and I'm just gonna divide them up into 3, so 2 lines. And then there's some details on the shell, so just draw 2 lines straight down. Okay, so that part's easy. And then from here, we're gonna draw in her shoulder. So we're gonna come out and then come down, so just a little bit. Okay, so come out and then come down. Okay, and then we're gonna continue this the waistline here, so we're gonna come down and we're just gonna pinch this in. So this is gonna be a lot shorter. And then let's draw in a line here for the strap. Just come all the way down. And in the middle here, we can draw in the zipper. Okay, and then let's draw in her arm on this side. So this one's gonna be folded. So we're gonna come out to the elbow, and then here we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna draw in the, let's draw in the fist first. So right around here, let's draw a little line, let's draw a little angle like that. And then one little detail here on the cuff. And then now we can just kind of connect these. So from the corner here, just kind of connect that out. Corner, here's the elbow, just kind of come out. Just curve it in. Okay, so now you got the arms on the side. So let's draw the other arm, and this one's gonna be holding the blaster. So here's the shoulder coming out, and we're just gonna come down. So this is gonna be, here's the armpit behind the eggs. Okay, just flare it out for the cuff and pinch it back in, close it off. And then one little rectangle there. And then for her hand, we're gonna come out, just kind of hook it. It's her thumb, here's her palm, and then out here, trigger finger. And then for her fingers here, I think I'm just gonna draw 2 because I don't have a lot of space. So just 1 and 2. And then I'm just gonna draw in the grip here. And then just close that off. All right, so before we draw the blaster, let's finish up with the body first. So for the body here, just come down the middle, draw a little line, and then here's the leg. So we're gonna come out, continue this curve, and on the inside, gonna curve in. Okay, so here's the knee, so we can come in like that, just pinch it in slightly. And then our lower leg, we're just gonna flare it out for the bunny suit. And then just close that off. So we draw the bunny flippers down here. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So here we're gonna come out, curve, pinch it in for the knee, and then we're gonna flare it back out, and then just close it off. Okay, and then for the bunny flippers, just kind of come down and leave a little bit of space here and just draw in one big dome shape right underneath that. You know, it's a little bit tricky, it's kind of floating out of nowhere. Okay, close that off, and then let's draw in the 3 dots here. And then once you have this, then just gotta draw in the ears, so they're like Mickey Mouse ears. On the side, we're just gonna draw that. And then once you have that, then all you have to do is just kind of connect these. So just draw one line. And if you have space here, you can draw another line. And I think she's got some detail here, so I'm just gonna draw in some lines. All right, so let's draw on the other side. So we're gonna come down. You can use the other side for reference so you know how far down. Just one big dome shape. Close it off. Line, and then same thing here. 3 dots. And then again the ears. I'm gonna draw 1, 2. And now one line in, and any space in here, just fill that up with a line. And again, same detail on the socks. Okay, so that's pretty much the body, and so let's finish up the blaster. So we're gonna keep this simple. Just drawing one line, and then we're gonna go up. Just draw in a rectangle, and then here is the trigger area, housing. Okay, and then from here, just drawing one long rectangle, and then right underneath there, we're gonna draw in a couple of eggs. So I'm just gonna draw 2, and for just simple decoration, I'll just add in some lines. All right, and then we're gonna come back up here, just drawing one line. So this is gonna be another rectangle, but it's gonna be a little bit longer, sharper on this side. And then for the barrel, it's right here. Okay, and then there's another grip here, so we just add in another rectangle. And then for the details here, I'm just gonna add in 2 little rectangles. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And if you wanna add in the eggs on the back, so I'm just gonna draw one curve as if it's coming around here on the back. So just kind of visualize an egg like this and just fill in those lines. Alright, so that is it for this cuter version of the Bunny Brawler. So hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.